This is a real video of the left-in right lenses from the i7 Pro WB-10. For viewing convenience, we combine the videos recorded at the same time from the left-in right lenses into one video. Now, let's check out the clarity of the left and right lenses together. The left and right sides of the car are generally blind spots for vision, so left and right lenses are very important. The license plate number is basically clearly visible in the magnified image.